Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here trihalides are given, which is haloform, fluoroform, chloroform, bromoform and iodoform. You have to find the acidic strength arranged. One hydrogen is there. You have to find how easily you can remove the hydrogen in every compound. Everybody will commit the mistake based on finding the electronegativity order. Here fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, bromine and iodine. So everybody think flatly the order will be the same for the acidity because electron withdrawing group increase the acidity. But CHCl3 is better acid than CHF3. The reason is extra resonance by d orbital. Chlorine has empty d orbital, so what really happened? It involves T by P pi bonding. Carbon ion has P and chlorine has D, so it's a kind of new resonance structures occurs there. There are 3 chlorine, 3 different resonances are possible, so it will be more acidic than fluorine. So if you find the order, chloroform comes first, then fluorine, then bromine, then iodine. Here the concept you have to learn here is P pi T by back bonding. It will provide extra resonance structures. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.